It's carrot cake, guys and girls. Let's have some desserts. Be the first one to taste. Be the first one to buy. Come on. Love it. They so good. Not too sweet. No, not too so. Sorry. Not too sweet. Sorry. Not so sweet. Not too sweet. Come on. There's a new design. It's not a carrot cake. See that? But it's a carrot cake.